Right, here we go. Let's estimate a reflex angle. I'm going to start off just by drawing a random reflex angle. We're going to exploit a few things that we should know. Firstly, we need to know that angles all the way around a point, so one full rotation is 360 degrees. It's also useful to know angles along a straight line are 180 degrees. Okay, right, so we're going to work out this reflex angle. So we're going to be looking for this angle here. Okay, I'm going to draw a few lines on to help us out. I'm going to draw on the lines that I know, and I'm just going to eyeball them. I'm not going to measure it. I'll measure it at the end to see how close we are. Let's do it. So let's add on the 180 degrees as accurately as I can. Something like that. So this is a 180 degree turn. Okay, let's add on the 90 and the 270. Try and make it 90 degrees as best as I can. Something like that. So this is going to be from here, rotating to here is 90 degrees. Go another 90 takes you 180, another 90 takes you 270. Okay, if we were to go all the way back, so one full rotation would be 360. Okay, now we're dealing with a reflex angle, so we know that our angle, just because it's called a reflex angle, means it must be between 180 and 360. By drawing these angles on, we know that this big angle here must be between 270 and 360. Now, I personally find it easier to work with acute angles, so what I suggest to do is to work out this angle, or have a guess at this angle, and then do 360, one full turn, take away this bit to get the size of this reflex angle. Right then, so let's have a look at what we've got. I'm going to add a few more lines on as to what I'm thinking. Again, I'm not going to measure until the end to see if I'm right. Incidentally, when I measure this, I'm going to do it the same way. I'm going to measure this small angle and take it away from 360. Right. So, first of all, let's split this angle here in half. Maybe that's far off being in half. Something like that would be in half. Okay, so straight away, I'm going to say that this is very close to being 45 degrees. In fact, it's so close, I'm going to say that is 45. Okay, so that means this angle here is roughly, that should be the same as this angle here. Just think, does that look right? Doesn't look far off. So, to work out this reflex angle, I'm going to take 360 and take off 45 from it. So 360, take away 45. Something like 315 degrees. Okay, so I'm expecting this reflex angle to be 315 degrees, around there. Okay, let's measure it to see how we did. So I'm going to measure this angle here and then take away whatever it is from 360. So we're going to go like this. Oh, let's have a look. That is 42. So the actual angle measured here is, do it in black. So this actual angle was 42 degrees. Okay, which means we have the reflex angle slightly bigger than we thought. It was 3 degrees bigger. So 318 was the actual size of that angle. So I was out by 3 degrees, which is not bad, that is fine. And again, this is mainly useful if I'm going to work this out mathematically or using a protractor to measure. I know this answer has to be roughly around here, okay? It's not that I was trying to get the right answer straight away, although I did my best. It's more that I know that this is a very reasonable answer, given that I thought it was around there.